Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart at Tully Elementary School here in Louisville, Kentucky, home of the Tigers. And it was a beautiful day. I'm in their main lobby right now, but the talks were in the MPR, the multi-purpose room. And I got to speak to all the grades today. The main focus was on bullying, where we look at someone's heart first, right? That we see someone like we see our own best friend and be able to see them for their heart as big as our fist. And then if we can let this love truly enter our heart, we can turn this into this, right? The peace sign, one finger being ourselves, the other someone that we're trying to lift up even higher than ourselves, by how we choose to treat them, hopefully with love. And to know that in just 2 seconds, we can say something so kind, do something so kind, it stays on someone's heart in a great way for the rest of their life. Or on the flip side, in 2 seconds, we can say something so mean that it stays on someone's heart in a negative way for the rest of their life. We always have that choice. And to know the impact of our actions, whether it's big or small, we know that we can make a difference, right? Even at a young age. And we tried to really hammer this home through some of the videos that I played, some of the stories that I shared, the music that I sang. And it was all about kindness. It was all about love. It was knowing that no matter what we're going through or will go through, that we can turn the hurt people who hurt people into healed people who heal people. At the end of the day, not only see people for their heart first, but also for this too. The M on all of our hands and on my shirt here, M for miracle, upside down, W for worthy, that we're worthy of love, to give it and receive it, that we all deserve this love, and that we are all beautiful miracles. So to hammer that concept home was one of the things I really tried to reinforce throughout my assemblies today, and I think the kids really took it to heart, just from the M's I saw in their poems too, and just for some of them that said, you know, you touched my heart 1,000 times during that assembly. And I said, if I did touch your heart, that's great. It means you have a big heart. And now it's up to you to go share your heart by how you choose to live, how you choose to treat others with kindness, and hopefully show that unconditional love. Had a few students who shared their heart with me and just, told me that from them being born a little bit different than some of their peers, whether it's their height or skin or a disability, whatever it might be, that every now and then they've been getting made fun of for that, where they're from, where they were born, and all these things that people say that they were taking very personally. And I told them, look, there's a lot of opinions out there, but not every opinion matters. What matters is what we believe and what our true best friends believe about us. And hopefully it's this, that they respect us for who we are, that no matter if we walk different, talk different, think different, hear different, learn different, different skin color, anything, that we can still see somebody for their heart before anything else. As always, don't forget to hit the notification bell to get future updates on videos like these. You'll see the subscribe button pop up on the link here on the video. Hit that to stay updated on anything that relates to my journey across this country. You can also check out my website to see more about what we're doing to spread kindness across this nation, as well as the playlist above for some other amazing clips just like this one. Much love. Peace.